Welcome back, guys. It's time for some watch bands for my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So, as we speak, guys, this thing hit my inbox yesterday. This is the Shield Protect case for my Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra by ULTIMAL. And I have something else, let me show you. This one is even more interesting because this thing here is the Steel Fighter. These two watch bands are produced by ULTIMAL. They have been sent to me for a review, but this video is gonna be my totally own personal opinion as you watch me unbox the product and then test. I really can't wait, so let's put the product on the review table and let's start. Alright, we're back on my review table. This thing here is the Shield Protect case band for the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and this thing here is the Steel Fighter. Alright, let's start with the first one, guys. So this is the packaging. We have ULTIMAL here, Shield Protect, racked, comfy and lightweight, ultra protective case band. And we have several things. Double layered hard soft plastic case provides ultimate protection for the watch. Special design gives extra protection for buttons. This is important because you know the Galaxy Watch Ultra has 3 buttons here, and yeah, why not protect the buttons as well? Soft band with vent perforations and grooves enhances wearing experience, and connecting metal axles allow band parts to swivel to better fit your wrist contour, which is important. So, okay, let's try to unbox this baby and put it on my watch. Okay, here we are. Nice and soft. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside, guys. ULTIMAL Ultra Resist, and we have also a nice watch face pre-installed that I'm going to remove, of course. So now let's just see what else. ULTIMAL Ultra Deep Professional. Okay, this looks, by the way, and feels nice. Let's measure this thing. All right, only 37 grams. It ain't that much. Okay, do we have something else inside the box? Okay, not really. Let's appreciate the design. Besides being very lightweight, I think the color really matches my original. Let's fully unstrap it. Can't wait to put my Watch Ultra. All right, this is the Watch Ultra with my original strap, no protection. And now, guys, I'm going to remove the original band and then install my Watch Ultra inside this beast. Now, installation. In case you wonder how to do this, guys, you can visit ULTIMAL's website. The installation process is like this. You need to take the watch with the digital crown and tilt it like this until it fully aligns here, and then press. Oh, wow! Smoother than I thought. What can I tell you, guys? This completely changed my watch. And pay attention, guys. There is here a 2.5mm bezel to protect the watch screen, which is very, very nice. Okay, let me just put it. Check this out. Besides the 2.5mm bezel that we have to protect the screen, we have also here some protection for the 2 buttons, all right, which is very good, and they're very tactile, so not an issue at all. I can access everything I want from here, right? Only the action button is exposed, but there is this protection because you can see that a whole case is wrapped around, so protection for this button as well. Very sweet. By the way, I like the fact that we have so many different options on the original band. There are not so many, so I don't have like a sweet spot, but with this watch band I'm definitely getting the sweet spot. This thing here is a double layered hard and soft TPU, guys, but the buckle here is made out of custom stainless steel, which is good because this means no rust. My Watch Ultra with the Shield Protect case, 98 grams. Okay, guys, how do we deinstall it? We need to turn the watch like this and then start from the left side, so just peel it out. All right, so just my Watch Ultra, 60 grams. And now I'm gonna add the 2 original straps. Okay, guys, so you see, it's circa the same. Only 3 grams more, but you get ultimate protection. And now it's time to check the Steel Fighter Urban Sports Band. Okay, so how do we emboss this? Take a look at this. The same soft but yet durable TPU materials with stainless steel. And we do have here ULTIMAL, all right? The buckle, very massive, also embossed ULTIMAL logo. Let's try to weigh this. 53 grams. And take a look at this. I really love this, guys. This is the original Watch Ultra. We have the black titanium frame here with this orange elements and also, you know, orange color here on the crown. We have the exact same colors on the band. So this band matches like crazy. So now let's install it. How does this work? All right, very easy. We have the quick connect. Okay, this thing is on, and then this thing on as well. And now it's time for me to test this band as well. First thing I would like to mention is that this band feels really so thin, and it's really thin, guys. Take a look. This is the original band that I'm using. It's a nice one, but it's first very thick, and then second, we don't have that many holes. And this is the Shield Protect, which is not only thinner, but we have more holes. So we have plenty of adjustment options, right? This thing here, also very thin, and it fits really very nice on my hand. 113 grams. So this would be a bit heavier than the regular one, but this one feels so premium, guys. And it's heavier because we have a lot of stainless steel elements here, like here, and also the buckle. Take a look, a real good and massive buckle. I like the design. We have this indentation here. This not only looks very premium, very sturdy, but also stylish. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. In a nutshell, guys, the ULTIMAL bands not only look premium, but they do provide a nice layer of protection, and what I do like most is the little details here. I really like the design decision. It's really appealing to my personal taste. By the way, what do you think? Let me know down below in the comments. Steel Fighter, the installation is very easy. Just click here, boom, and you are off. So one more time, guys, let me show you the Shield Protect. So installation, remember, always take the crown, align the crown here, snap it. Okay, and here you go, guys. You will have full protection with a 2.5 millimeter bezel with nice premium materials, hard and soft TPU, but also stainless steel. And guys, we do have the same original Samsung Ultra Watch colors. Let's appreciate the Shield Protect case design one more time, right? Because I just noticed we have these things here, here, and here, and this not only looks rugged, guys, but it also looks cool and stylish. So I can totally recommend those products. The Shield Protect will set you off with like 35 euro, and the Steel Fighter with 30 euro. For more details, please check the video description. This is it, guys. I really hope that you enjoy videos like this. If you want more like this, yeah, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.